have a homemade slip and slide, and we're going down it on an inner tube. This is Michaela's first time going down. Okay, go. Think you missed the inner tube. So much for going down on the inner tube. Okay, this is Jocelyn's first time going down. Wasn't as cool. Okay. My first time in a minute. Duh duh duh. We got it.
Okay, now we have Mercedes. Alright, I will try that again. Peace. How do you stop it? Oh.